Singeing process in textiles, singeing process types. Before discussing the singeing process types, advantages, disadvantages, and applications, we will discuss the singeing process. What is singeing process? Singeing or gassing is a finishing process used in textiles to remove protruding fibers or furs from the surface of fabric or yarn by passing it over a flame or heated element. So we can conclude that singeing process is a simple finishing process used in textile to remove the protruding fiber or fuzz from surface of yarn or fabric. This process gives a textile smoother and most lustrous appearance that improves the print clarity and reduce the pilling effect in fabric. There are different types of singeing process, like first is plate singeing. In plate singeing process, fabric is passed over a heated copper plate, and this process is common used for woven fabric, and it has less aggressive used for delicate materials. Second type is roller singeing. In the roller singeing process, fabric passes over a rotating heated roller. It is more uniform or more better uniform surface contact, and it is suitable for medium to heavy fabrics. Third type is gas flame singeing. In gas flame singeing, fabric or yarn is passed rapidly over a open gas flame, and this process is most common and effective method. It offers high speed and clean results. Infrared singeing, next is fourth process is singeing. It is used in infrared singeing. Infrared radiations instead of flame or heated material or heated plate or heated cylinder. Infrared radiations are used, and it is controlled burning, good for thermally sensitive fibers. It is energy efficient process in singeing. The next is yarn singeing. We have discussed the fabric singeing. In yarn singeing, singeing is applied to yarn before weaving or knitting process, typically used in high quality fabric production like mercerized yarn or mercerized cotton. What are the advantages of singeing process? First is improved fabric appearance. It gives smoother, cleaner, and more lustrous surface. Second is enhanced printability and dyeing, better definition in printing and uniform dyeing take up. The third advantage is reduced pilling. It removes loose fibers that causes pilling during wash and wear. The fourth advantage is improved fabric handle, feels softer and more refined fabric. The last is minimize dust and lint, especially important in high speed weaving and knitting. These are the advantages gained through singeing process. On the other hand, there are some disadvantages like risk of damage. Over singeing can scratch or weaken the fabric, especially synthetic fabrics. They are more touchy to Fire. Energy intensive flame or heat systems consume a lot of energy. And the third is limited to certain fibers. Thermoplastic fibers like polyester can melt if not carefully controlled. The fourth disadvantages is additional cost adds to finishing cost of textile processing. So these are the disadvantages of singeing process. Applications of singeing process, when we talk about the applications in apparel fabrics, cotton shirting, suiting and fashion fabrics for better appearance and comfort. In the second, home textiles, bed linen, curtains, tablecloth for enhanced aesthetics. The next application is printing fabrics, prepare fabric for high definition printing like rotary or digital printing. The fourth application is yarn for high-end use. Syngent yarn used in premium garments to reduce the surface hairiness. And the last is technical textiles when a certain surface is needed, such as filters or coated fabrics, so singeing process become necessary for these fabrics. So these were the applications of singeing process.